This pea and pesto salad is the best way to eat your greens. All you need is 5 ingredients and 10 minutes to make it. Seriously, it's so simple but ridiculously good, and it even wins over salad skeptics. To make this recipe, you'll start by toasting pine nuts. If you're going to make homemade pesto, which I highly recommend, toast extra pine nuts for that at the same time. Then, defrost frozen peas by dumping them in a bowl and pouring hot water over top. Frozen peas are already cooked, so they're ready to eat. You just want to leave them in for a couple minutes to warm through. Go ahead and make our homemade pesto dressing if you can. It's way better than store-bought. But if you're short on time, that's okay. You can just use your favorite brand instead. Do mix a couple tablespoons of fresh lemon juice into store-bought pesto though, because it really helps brighten the flavors. To finish the salad, add the drained peas and a whole bag of baby spinach to a large bowl. Drizzle over the dressing and toss gently to combine. Then top with pine nuts and Parmesan. Toss again and serve.